Hi, I'm Stephanie, and I'm going to show you how to personalize towels for your bathroom using perfect placement on the Flourish 2. First, we need to hoop our towel. Open up the hoop and place our stabilizer right in the hoop. We need to find the center of your towel. And we're going to mark 1 inch from our decorative edge. And let's place the towel on the machine. Because we're using a topping, let's place a basting stitch first, and we'll find the basting stitch in our frames menu. Now let's bring our letter in, so select Add, and go into your fonts menu and your exclusive script. And let's do a perimeter check. So let's move our D up as high as it will go and check again. And we're ready to stitch. And just for the first stitch, you'll want to hold on to your topping to make sure that it stitches in the right place. And look at that, so pretty. Now we just need to remove our basting stitch so that we can remove our topping and our stabilizer back here. All right, now that we've cleared our basting stitch, let's flip it over, and you'll notice your basting stitch will just peel right out. And then you'll take your topping off, and any topping you have left over, you can either wash your project or take a damp cloth to it. Your erasable marking needs to be pressed away, and then you simply remove the towel from your stabilizer, and you have your towel. Explore this project and many more at babylock.com.